All right, good morning, everybody. I want to first thank you all for coming. My name is Todd. I am the trainer and the software specialist for Harris Aerial. A few things before we get started. The most important thing in this day is going to be safety. Now, even though none of you are part of the operation, you are all responsible for safety just as much as I am, just as much as Ben is. So in order for that to take place, I want you all to constantly be diligent, be aware, watch what's happening. And while we are operating, every single one of you has the right to stop the operation. So if any of you see something that you feel is unsafe, all you need to do is notify me and notify Ben. We will automatically stop, come back and land, and we'll talk about what happened at that point. Does anybody have any questions? All right, again, thanks for coming, and let's do some flying.
All right, 3, 2, 1, dropping.